Okay. We're gonna be unboxed, huh? The MFC J5930DW and J1 printer. See what we got here. I raised the ink. I bet you see it. Yeah. Straight. Cable. Some kind of ink. Instruction. Disc. Forget about it. Okay. Get it out. Shit. Whew. Damn trouble, YouTube. Too much damn trouble. Yeah, this paper. Oh man. Different color. Yeah, alright. That is on there. Working with it here. What the hell? Oh, what this is. Damn. I'm just a loss. Yeah. That's right, pretty good. Pretty good. Alright. High in the street, right? Doing it really right. Doing it. Alright. Damn. What the hell is this? The paper come out already. It's some kind of damn tree. Shit. Oh shit. I don't know what the fuck, man. Hope that shit ain't broke. Come on, brother. Get right. Now. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe look at it. Straight now. I like it. Let's see. I can see. Alright. Yeah, that is. Around. See this side. What the hell all this is on there. I don't know if they come out. What the hell they do. Anyway, going straight. Brother. Well, if you like it, hit the like button. Feel free to comment and share. If you want to see it working, leave a comment for that. Peace.